Dathomir. 4 months ago, one of our scouts was sent to investigate a peculiar sound disturbance emitted from the planet's surface. We lost communication with him immediately, so we sent a search party, and then another, and then another. Total calm silence from all of them. However, we can detect that all of the troopers' equipment and transports are still intact. We can only assume it's all been abandoned. And we have no idea why.
Captain, recommended by Master Kenobi, you were selected for this task you've been, because the best you are.
Whatever it is, it's dangerous, and I'm afraid we have no other intel to help you with the mission. This could very well be a task that you and your men don't return from. Your orders are to find the cause of the disturbance and eliminate it. The Jedi are stretched far too thin to investigate ourselves, but if your performance on Munilist is any indication, I know our trust is well placed. I've seen you in action, Captain Fordo.
Sounds like my kind of night, sir. When do I leave? Keep those heads on a swivel. Everyone goes home today. Yes, sir! This is as close as we'll get. Comms on, weapons on, and stay together. Yes, sir! General, we've touched down. No sign of hostiles yet, sir.
Very good, sire. Proceed with the next phase.
Captain, do you hear that? Stow it, Glebe. We got work to do. Something's not right. I find it odd we'd hear something like that out here. It just so happens to be where we lost a lot of men. Glebe, you and Raz check it out. I didn't mean tomorrow, troopers. Troopers! Troopers! What are you doing? Troopers! General, I've located the disturbance. It's a melody, and my men are following it through the jungle.
What? Did you say a melody?
Yes, sir. A woman's voice. Turn my squad into brainless drones.
And you are unaffected by this chant, Captain?
Yes, sir.
Perhaps she's not your type.
I don't have a type, sir.
Right. Well then, we could be dealing with some kind of mind controller. Follow them, but act as they do. You may have the element of surprise if the source doesn't know you're still you. And Captain, keep your mind focused.
Yes, sir.
Your Republic is so very proud of you, Captain. your loss. That is, until they just make another one. And those who learns do not have to make the perfect one. A shame and tangle with your issues with the windows. You look like you have to be good friends with Captain Fordo.
Lady, I bet you've never met an armed trooper.
His ARC troopers had free will. So, this Night Sister was able to manipulate a weakness in their minds because of the behavior modifications they receive. That is a shame. We lost a lot of good men. Well, that'll be the last time any of our boys are duped like that again. Agreed, sir. We clones are no one's puppets. Excellent work, Captain Fordo. I knew we could count on you. If ever there were a soldier to make the Mandalorians proud, you're it. Which reminds me, I have something for you. Your modified Phase 2 armor just arrived from Camino. I hope you don't mind, but I went ahead and gave the armory the okay to include the Jag eyes you've earned at the Battle of Hypori. This'll do just fine, Jack.
No sequels for you.